Many agents are confused about how to most effectively market homes through magazine advertising. They jam as many listings as possible on a page, hoping to find the right buyer for a specific property. But that's not how it works. Remember, a typical buyer looks at 12 houses before making a purchasing decision. As experienced agents know, the likelihood that a buyer will purchase the home he calls on are low. Brokerages report as low as 2 to 4%. This means that rather than trying to sell a specific property, you should use your magazine ad to establish relationships. The first thing you need is to create the right ad. Here are some considerations when creating your ad. Include in your ad those listings that photograph well. Keep in mind the price ranges that are selling. Overweigh your ad with those listings. Be sure to include at least one property from every price range, low, medium, and high priced, so that you can cast as wide a net as possible. Make your ad inviting. Include a maximum of 12 to 15 listings on a page so that the photographs are attractive and the text readable. You want to draw the reader into your ad. The next step after creating the ad is to be clear about how you will respond to phone calls, emails, and text messages. For example, on an ad call, ask open-ended questions and listen carefully to the response. Here are some sample questions to ask the buyer.
What attracted you to this home? How's your house hunting going?
Then determine need.
Where are you living now? How soon do you need to move?
When you and the caller are both comfortable, close for the appointment in a non-threatening way.
It sounds like I may be able to help you. Why don't we set up a short visit? Would this afternoon be good for you?
When responding to email, the key is to be candid yet warm. Here is a sample email recommended by real estate consultant Michael Russer, aka Mr. Internet. My ability to help is dependent on an understanding of your particular needs. When you are ready to explore your real estate needs further, I will be happy to assist you. You can find Michael's complete response on the HomesandLand.com benefits site. These tips will effectively generate results from your magazine ad. Remember, create an attractive ad with visual appeal, be prepared with your response, then establish strong relationships that lead to sales and commissions.